Welcome dear student to another part of our class standard 10th subject maths part 8. In the last video we have completed this fourth question half, so we will continue that question from this. See the question: square of any positive integer is form of 3m and 3m plus 1. Square, and here a is equal to 3q, a is equal to 3q plus 1, a is equal to 3q plus 2. So what we need to do, we need to square this and then we need to convert this form in 3m or 3m plus 1. So we will do all these three, first, second and third, one by one, and we will convert it into the form of 3m and 3m plus 1. So the first one is a is equal to 3q. Now what is written here? Square. So you do square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So it will become a square is equal to 3q whole square. So a square is equal to, open the bracket, it will become 9q square. After this you need to see this one, 3m and 3m plus 1. By looking at this we can easily see that plus 1 is not there. That means we can convert this in 3m form. So how we will convert? What is this? 3. Divide this 9 with 3. So 3 3s are 9. So split like this, 3 into 3q square. So 9q square can also be written as 3 into 3q square. So this 3q square we can suppose m. So let m is equal to 3q square. So what will happen now? This 3 we will write and this 3q square will become m. That is why a square is equal to 3m. Means 3q is converted in the form of 3m when we are squaring on both sides. Similarly, we have to do this for the second part and the third part. Now we will start the second one. In second question, a is equal to 3q plus 1. Again squaring on both sides. So this will become a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. So here we are going to use a plus b whole square formula. So a square is equal to, this will become 9q square plus 2 3 6q plus 1. You already know how to solve this. Now what we can see here, in the previous question plus 1 was not there. So I converted it in 3m form. Here we can see plus 1. That means we can convert this in 3m plus 1 form. So how to do it? So leave this plus 1. Now two terms are there, 9q square and plus 6q. You need to see whether you can take common 3 from this or not. Why? Because we need to convert in 3m form. So what we will do? We will take common 3. So this will become a square is equal to, from these two terms I am taking 3 common. So 3, then make bracket. So 3q square, divide this 9q square with 3. So it will become 3q square, 3q square plus 3 2 6. So 2q and then plus 1. Now we need to convert in 3m plus 1. So you can see 3 is there, plus 1 is also there. What is there? This, in place of this m, this bracket number is there, bracket term is there. So what we will do? Here we will suppose this as m. So let 3q square plus 2q equal to m. So a square equal to 3m plus 1. Similarly, we will do the third part. In the third one, your a is equal to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2, squaring on both sides. So we'll get a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Here also we'll use the formula of a plus b whole square. So this will become 9q square plus 2 3 is 6 2 is 12 q plus 4. Now see the last number. In the second question, last number was 1. So we have not done anything. But here the number is 4. But what we can take? We can do two things. Or else we can take 3 common from all the 3 terms. But it is not possible to take 3 common from all these 3 terms. So what we will do? We'll split this 4 in such a way that 3 comes, and then whatever else is remaining you write in the plus form. That means write like this: a square equal to this thing we will not change, it will remain unaltered, 9q square plus 12q plus what we will do in place of 4, this number. What is this? 3. So write 3 and whatever is remaining, means how we can get 4, 3 is there, we can write plus 1. So split 4 in such a way that you get 3. Now what we can do? We can take common 3 from these 3 terms. So a square is equal to 3 common. So it will become 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and then plus 1. Now this whole will become m. So let m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So a square is equal to 3m plus 1. In place of this I have put m. So 3m plus 1. So what was the question? Square of any positive integer is of the form of 3m and 3m plus 1. So we got 3 terms: 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. So what we need to do? We need to convert 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2 either in the form of 3m or in the form of 3m plus 1. So the first one we converted in 3m form, and the second and third we converted in 3m plus 1 form. Now let us move to the fifth question. Fifth question is: use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. 9m plus 8. So student, what is there? The coefficient of m, 9 is there. Now if I take b equal to 9, then r will be equal to 0, 1 to 8. Means we have to put r 9 times from 0 to 9. Then this will become very lengthy sum. So in place of that is also correct, okay, but it is lengthy. So what we can do for that? We can find the factor of this 9. The factor of 9 is 1, 3 and 9. So we can choose any one out of them. So what we will choose? We will choose 3. That is the convenient number. So here we will took b equal to 3. We can take b equal to 9 also. If you want, you can do. So b is equal to 3. So r will be equal to 0, 1 and 2. And already we have solved this one. So what we will get? We will get a equal to 3q. I am writing directly because if you want to see this how it is coming, you can see the second question. So a equal to 3q, a equal to 3q plus 1, and third one is a is equal to 3q plus 2. When I will put 0, 1, 2, I will get these values. But one thing I have to change in this fifth question, in place of square, question is given in the form of cube. So cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So what we have done in the last one, when square was given, we have done square on both sides. Cube is given, we will do cube on both sides. So see the first question, a is equal to 3q cubing on both sides. So a cube is equal to 3q whole cube. A cube is equal to 27q cube. Now what we need to do, 9 is there, divide this 27 with 9, so it will become a cube is equal to 9 into 3q cube. 9 3 is 27. Why we have taken 9? Because 9 is given in the question. Now we will take 3q cube equal to m equal to 3q cube. So a cube is equal to 9m. So we got 9m as a form. Second one, a is equal to 3 cube plus 1, cube on both sides. So a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. Now a plus b whole cube formula we have to use. So a cube is equal to, convert this 3, what is the formula? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula that we have to apply. In place of a, we'll put 3q, in place of b, we'll put 1. So a cube means 3q whole cube, 3q whole cube plus 3 into a square means 3q whole square into b means 1 plus 3ab square, so 3 into 3q plus 1 square and plus b cube, b means 1, so 1 cube. So a cube is equal to, solve this, we'll get 27q cube plus 3 square 9, 9 3 is 27, q square plus 3 3 is 9, q plus 1. Now see here, plus 1 is there. That means we can convert this in 9m plus 1 form. So we can take 9 common from here. So what will be remaining? 3q cube plus 3q square plus q plus 1. M is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. So a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. This became m. So 9m plus 1. Third part, a is equal to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2. So a cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Now I am not going to write the formula again. You can see on the board the formula is written. A cube is equal to, cube of this means 27q cube plus 3 square 9 to the 18, so 27q square plus 3ab square means 3 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36, q square 36q plus 2 cube is 8. Now here you can see that we can convert this in 9m plus 8 form because 8 is there. Take 9 common from this. So a cube is equal to 9 common means 3q cube plus 3q square plus 4q plus 8. This will become m. So 9m plus 8. So this is how we can convert this in 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 form. So this is the end of our session today. We'll continue with our subject on the next part of our class. Thank you.